So we came and moved in 2014 to a church that was struggling. We came to replant this church. Our church and us really believed that Medi-Share was the best fit for our family. In a time when we were kind of somewhat fearful of our future, we weren't fearful for our healthcare, and that was very important for us. We walked a long road of infertility and miscarriage.
However, when we got pregnant with Mira Grace, my pregnancy was normal. I was healthy, she was healthy. So when she was born, we had about, I would say, 10 hours of just your normal mother, father, baby bonding. About 12 o'clock noon, we noticed that her color in her face was changing, and the MRI showed that she had had a severe stroke on the left side of her brain. It was very scary for us because we'd never even heard of babies having a stroke. So she was airlifted in a helicopter to Florida Hospital that evening, the same day that she was born.
I can still hear the helicopter blades in my brain, and there you look at your lifeless daughter with a pink bow, this beautiful life that God's given you. You're entrusting to the care of others. And I didn't know if she was going to make it. So I made the initial phone call day of December 14th to Medi-Share saying our daughter has had a stroke. Medi-Share was so helpful on the phone. And I was just, every time I got off the phone with Medi-Share, I was at peace. You get home 30 days later, you get the note in the mailbox, and you've got the letter from the member that says, "It was a joy to pray for your daughter. We're praying for Mira Grace at our church. It's a joy to help you in your medical needs." You can't explain that, right? You can't put words to that.
So through really intentional, amazing, careful care, here she is 2 years later, perfectly normal, no developmental delays, absolutely miraculous, complete full recovery.
In our most difficult financial need that we've ever encountered in our lives, God used Medi-Share and the members of Medi-Share to not only help us, but to encourage us. Medi-Share has been one of the greatest blessings that God has ever given us.